What's going to happen is robots will be able to do everything better than us. Pause and make sure this is safe.
Picture a time in the future when things you do for a job might not be needed anymore because a machine can do them more faster and more accurately. Well, it's already a reality for many people, thanks to smart computers and machines. These machines are expanding their horizons, making people worry about their jobs. They're afraid that machines might take over their work. What about you? Are you ready for this big change? In the next 5 years, many jobs could change significantly because of these smart machines. Many different types of work are already done by machines in different industries. This is a big change, and it's happening because machines can now do things that only people could do before. But which jobs will get affected the most? Graphic designers. If you have not been living under a rock, you must have met the digital artist DALL-E 2 from OpenAI, the team that created the tech-savvy chatbot ChatGPT. DALL-E 2 can create images just as skillfully as ChatGPT generates text. When you give it a request like make a business card for a flower shop named Daisy Mays, DALL-E 2 quickly becomes your own artist, providing various business card designs. Graphic designers have mixed feelings about apps like DALL-E 2. On the one hand, it's a futuristic enemy that seems to replace human designers. On the other hand, it's a hidden tool, a magical helper that generates visual ideas that humans can refine. Certainly, OpenAI's ability to create designs faster than lightning might overshadow graphic designers specializing in quick and simple designs. But don't worry, there will always be a demand for top-notch design work. When asked about DALL-E 2, a video game designer from Colorado who cleverly used an AI image generator called Midjourney to win a photography contest, his success wasn't just from a simple request, but from a dedicated effort of 80 hours, resulting in over 900 digital artworks. Despite facing criticism online, Alan remained composed and shared that AI is a tool similar to a paintbrush. Without the artist's creativity, it can't create extraordinary results. Data entry jobs. Data entry jobs, unfortunately, are very foreseeable at this point in time, and they're easily automated. You might be wondering why. These jobs involve doing the same things repeatedly and following clear logic, making them a piece of cake for automation, just like cutting through butter with a hot knife. Angela Sabello, a big name in AI and SEO, explains that jobs where decisions are based on data are hanging on the edge of being automated. This includes roles like financial analysis and medical diagnosis. Essentially, any job that works like a robot following instructions is practically begging to be automated. Ryan Faber, the brains behind the AI content writing platform Copymatic, says that manually typing in data on a computer is about as exciting and time-consuming as watching a snail race. Although data entry is a crucial part of business, it's a task that's so straightforward that it's almost asking to be automated. Thanks to AI tools like optical character recognition, OCR, and natural language processing, NLP, we can now automate data entry so well that it might even start questioning its identity. The recent buzz about OpenAI cooking up a plan to make basic coding and obsolete as a dial-up modem with the AI wonder ChatGPT has likely given folks in the software industry a reason to worry. AI is now fully prepared and equipped. Junior engineers. Junior engineers prepare and manage a significant portion of the repetitive tests that software engineers often face during the development process and handling tasks. They are, more often than not, typically assigned to newcomers in the coding field. This ranks junior software engineers as the third most likely group to benefit from this. Additionally, AI is getting ready to automatically identify and fix bugs and security vulnerabilities. OpenAI is currently experimenting with Codex, designed to handle nearly any coding task. Think of it as a versatile tool for coding. There's also talk that Amazon and Samsung have already tested ChatGPT in their coding projects. Admin jobs. One category of jobs that AI could take over is administrative roles. Due to recent AI developments like the ChatGPT, this has become a job that doesn't require humans. With impressive advancements, traditional tasks are now in danger. Entry-level administrative positions involve taking notes, checking spelling, creating summaries, and dealing with spreadsheets. These are tasks that Chatbot GPT can handle with ease. According to a notable study by Goldman Sachs, nearly 300 million jobs could potentially be done by AI. Surprisingly, the office and administrative support job category has the highest percentage of tasks that AI could do, a whopping 46% without difficulty. Microsoft Teams Premium introduces a Copilot feature. This feature transforms video conference meetings into organized notes and generates a to-do list by analyzing the meeting's content. It's amusing to think that note-taking tasks were a significant part of many administrative and secretary roles just a couple of decades ago. AI can handle all of this swiftly and efficiently without needing coffee to stay alert during those dull meetings. As AI advances, it's likely to become even more useful and effective. Journalists. Certain types of journalism are starting to see the impact of automation. Sports journalism, for example, is an easy target. Imagine a robot writing an article about a slam dunk or a home run by analysing game statistics. It's like a magic trick where an algorithm creates a captivating 500-word story about the match. Financial journalism is also being affected. Since 2014, the Associated Press has been working closely with an AI platform called Automated Insights. Together, they produce thousands of annual earnings reports articles without human writers. This has saved around 20% of their business journalists' time, allowing them to focus on deeper stories. Legal assistance. According to ChatGPT's evaluation, the human skills in the spotlight for potential replacement include research and organisation. Paralegals, once considered a futuristic concept, are now significantly impacting the business world. Some even sport free trial tags. Consider case tech as an example. It goes beyond merely reviewing legal documents and memos. It practically assists lawyers by aiding in preparing deposition positions. Even contracts aren't off limits. Case Tech examines them thoroughly and, equipped with its compliance law handbook, suggests revisions if needed. Additionally, it serves as a fortune teller, predicting potential risks for your business might encounter. As you can imagine, this involves a substantial takeover of traditional human paralegal tasks. However, if you believe creativity is immune to AI, you might want to reconsider. Warehouse workers. Over the past decade, Amazon has been incredibly busy. They've been replacing their warehouse workers with robots. They've deployed a massive fleet of 500,000 robots in their fulfillment centers. These centers are vast mazes where Amazon processes and ships orders. Simultaneously, Amazon has been actively hiring over 1 million warehouse workers, believing that a collaboration between humans and machines achieves a perfect balance of efficiency, similar to a well-crafted recipe. While Amazon promotes the benefits of human-robot teamwork, they're also hedging their bets by investing in robots that mimic human hands' dexterity. These agile robots can visually identify and grasp small items from fixed bins. It's not far-fetched to wonder when Amazon might decide to phase out human warehouse workers in favor of these nimble robots, especially given the potential threat of unionization. Martin Ford, a future and author, predicts a rapid rise of robots within controlled warehouse environments. He envisions that Amazon's warehouses could have fewer humans than a deserted town within the next 5 years or so. Throughout the last 20 years, roughly 1.7 million jobs in manufacturing have been progressively substituted by robots and automated systems. Nonetheless, it is projected that artificial intelligence will result in the emergence of approximately 97 million novel job opportunities by the year 2025. We cannot overlook the transformative impact of artificial intelligence. The inevitable wave of automation brings challenges and opportunities to individuals in various fields. While it's natural to worry about potential job displacement, it's equally important to recognize that AI isn't just a threat, it's also a driving force in innovation and growth. People say the invention of AI is as important as the invention of fire. We need to confidently explore the different AI-driven features and platforms by evolving with the technology, as it is proactively adapting to ours. That's it for this video. If you're curious to know more, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon. Stay tuned!